Hi, I'm Julie Lamb, founder of NFT VIP, an immersive ticketing platform and boutique production company. And in less than 2 minutes, here's 5 key tips for a successful NFT career. Make sure you can master that blockchain technology. Understand how blockchain enables creation, ownership, and transfer. Get comfortable with smart contracts, decentralized ledgers, and cryptographic hashing. Get creative. If you want to stand out from the crowd, you need to deploy originality. Take cues from artists like Beeple and push boundaries. Experiment, explore new themes, and make your mark in the NFT competitive world by building community. Nurture a dedicated fan base. It's so important. Engage on all socials, whichever ones you're most comfortable with. Host virtual events and in real life events. Most importantly, how can you make your audience feel special? My favorite, mind those legalities. Navigating legal waters wisely is so important. Know your IP rights, licensing agreements, and potential risks. Consult legal professionals and safeguard your interests. And can you stay agile, adapt, and learn continuously? The NFT space moves fast like this message, so keep up. Explore new platforms, token standards, and emerging trends for ongoing success. With a solid grasp of blockchain, creativity, community building, legal know-how, and adaptability, you're on track for a thriving career in the NFT realm.